Alloy rims can get quite dirty, but with a little bit of effort they can look great against something like this. Now this is a lot of dirt and it happened after 2 or 3 longer trips in a short span of time. After we clean it, we are going to apply the wax, which will hopefully stop the hardcore dirt from sticking and make the cleaning in future a lot easier. We will be using one brush and a tire shine spray for finishing touches. And for rims, we will use Sonax Extreme Brilliant Wax for protection after cleaning. We will use whatever you have at hand, universal household cleaning stuff that is good for removing dirt. We will use 2 microfiber cloths. And 2 sponges, one for applying wax and one for cleaning. You can use something like this, but make sure it is really soft and won't leave scratch marks. Now let's get to it. First, spray some clean water over the wheel. Apply something that will effectively remove dirt. Don't be afraid to spray the rim real good. Let it stay for a bit, but don't let it dry. Now use a clean sponge. Get in between as much as you can and make sure you clean inner parts of the rim as well. Many suggest using only microfiber cloths for this, but in our experience for this first part, a soft sponge extracts the dirt better and does not leave any marks on the rim. As you can see, the real dirt from braking sticks inside the rim. Once you rub it real good, use clean water to wash the dirt out. If you're using a hose, put it inside a bit. Now we're going to repeat the same process once again, as these are really dirty, and after that we are going to leave it to dry. You can use clean, dry microfiber cloth to wipe it and prepare the surface for wax. Now we apply wax with a clean and extremely soft sponge. It is important to put the wax on all of the surface and rub it all the way until it shines. Make sure that all of the surface is dry before applying the wax, as well as the soft sponge applicator, and later use microfiber cloth. Later just wipe it with clean microfiber cloth to finish it. For finishing touch, we are going to use the tire shining spray. After spraying, we like to use a brush as it spreads more evenly on the tire. And that is it. This is the final result, and it didn't really take much time, but you can tell the difference. Do this on all four wheels and your car will look a lot better. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel as more and more videos are coming up. Also hit the like button and tell us how you take care of your rims in the comment section.